Did you know that knock knees, a condition where your knees tilt inward and touch while your ankles remain apart, can actually be improved without going under the knife? Many people struggle with this issue quietly, not realizing there are natural ways to fix it. Imagine correcting the alignment of your legs, not only improving your posture, but also reducing joint pain, enhancing balance, and boosting confidence, all through simple, consistent exercises. Sounds surprising? Well, today we're diving into exactly how you can do it. Knock knees are more common than you think, and while they often develop in childhood, they can persist into adulthood if not addressed. Surgery is usually seen as the extreme option, but the truth is, regular physiotherapy and targeted strengthening can bring real change. Exercises like side-lying leg raises, clamshells, wall sits with a ball between your knees, and hip bridges are proven to gradually improve knee alignment by strengthening the hip abductors, glutes, and thighs. Along with stretching tight muscles and practicing good posture, these routines can retrain your body over time. With dedication and patience, results are noticeable and you don't have to live with discomfort or imbalance. So, if you've been searching for a natural solution, start today with these exercises and stay consistent. Your knees and your future mobility will thank you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more health tips, and share it with someone who needs this advice.